Perhaps Lordships. Lordships, I beg to mention item 31 and 32. In 31, I'm led by Mr. Limawapang, my senior. He's out of station. So if the matter come up, yes, Lordship.
Okay, right. That indigenous inhabitant. But how do you decide who is an indigenous inhabitant? Are you in the case?
Lordship, I'm in the case, but I don't have the brief with me.
You don't have the brief with
properly.
you. Okay, right. On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of Mr. Limawapang, Learned Counsel for the appellant, who is out of station.
Lordship.
That is no excuse. As per Supreme
Just for the
Court
day,
order.
Lordship, if just for the day. He'll be back by evening tomorrow morning. Had some prior engagement.
Well, list the matter tomorrow.
Lordship, if you insist.
Lordship.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Lordship. Lordship, I also beg to mention item 37. In 37 here, we're led by Sir Tali Au. He's not keeping well, Lordship. So if the matter can come after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, right.
37.
On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of Mr. Tali Au, Learned Counsel for the appellant, who is reportedly unwell, list the matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship. Highly Bashman.
Lordship, you might be allowed to mention item 39.
39, yes.
I pray that this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Why?
I'm being led by my senior and he's indisposed if this matter may be accommodated for today.
Who is the senior?
Are irrelevant.
R. Iralu.
Yes. Item 39 for the private respondents.
R. Iralu.
35?
He's your father.
Yes.
No.
Who's for the other side?
It's Ken Chowdhury.
Who is for K. Chowdhury?
Told you not to do it. You do this. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Chowdhury.
What about? He's ready.
Your Lordship is not in station.
I know. He's an outstation lawyer. So you're asking for adjournment too?
Yes, Your Lordship, I was merely instructed to appear on behalf of
I've had the word with
the leading counsel.
Okay, right. On the prayer for adjournment made.
Because I'm appearing for the appellant.
this.
Sir, R9 in 35 and 36 minutes.
Just a minute. You wait your turn. On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of Mr. R. Iraru, senior advocate. List the matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Almost weeks.
Yes, item 35 and
Yes, 35 and 36, I was told the other side is mentioning lots.
35, 30. Okay, who is for 35 and 36? Yeah, who? Yeah, yes, someone is mentioning item 35 and 36.
No.
Let it come in turn, my lords. I believe they are asking time, my lords. Then your lordship will then post it.
Okay, that's it. Yes.
My British Lordships, my lord, I beg to mention item number 28, 29, and 30. These three are analogous matter, and in item number 28, the immune judgment in order is passed. The immune judgment in order is passed by my ladyship while Longcomer. So if this can be listed before any other bench.
302.
My lord, yes.
On the list matter before some other bench and not before this bench and not before one of us. What is this happening? The councils who are here virtually, I think you unmute yourself. I mean, you mute yourself. Yes. Not before one of us. That's
Bless.
Lordship, I beg to mention, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14.
Yes.
Lordship, here by the last order, I was directed to file a additional affidavit. This is pertaining to a 4-line Dimapur and Kohima. And today I could not file the affidavit. I have already informed the ambiguous curioso. So this matter may be listed on the next date, next week.
Look, you're basically saying that there are 30-ton trucks go there.
Oh, yes, yes.
Why don't you look at the option of having a weigh bridge somewhere so that you can weigh the truck?
Lordship.
Otherwise, how are you going to find out their weight? And whether your road specification is for how much? 30 tons?
30.
30.
Maybe 30 tons. Now, how are you going to know whether the trucks are beyond 30 tons or not?
In the absence of weight bridge, in simple way, I advise by wheel we can control.
By?
Wheel, 16 wheel,
Number of
12 wheel, like it.
wheels.
The number of
Yes,
wheels, by that we can control also.
That's
In the absence of the weight bridge.
But then how will you know the weight of the goods that they're
No,
carrying?
no. Normally, the assisting wheel is that Latin is much higher.
No, maybe.
Yes.
But supposing that the weight of the goods that truck is carrying is say 80 tons, then what do you do?
No.
How many wheels will you want?
They're
You need
more-
wheels on the top also.
The Latin vehicle is, again, it is shown by the wheel, no? By the tires in one way.
Because the engines of the trucks
Yes.
nowadays are so powerful that they can carry a lot.
But engine has to sit on the wheel.
I didn't know that.
No,
I didn't know that.
This is only.
We didn't know that. We didn't know
Commercial.
that. Anyway, and you should also think of the option of having a
Lordship,
way bridge
Lordship,
somewhere.
Lordship, we're taking steps.
Yes. That way you'll make some money also.
Lordship.
Now, yes, might take up. Anyway, right, Mr.
MTM song.
Imti Song, learned
Next week.
AAG, prays for time to file affidavit in terms of the last order. In
Lordship.
terms of last order.
Next week,
He submits that the same will be filed within
1 week.
before next date,
before next date. Supposing I say 10 years, then
Within 3
how
days.
much?
Within
Let's say
3 days.
Within 3 days. List the matter in the next week.
Lordship.
May I please, your lordships? I beg to mention item number 34.
30?
34. Hearings. I pray that 3 weeks' time may be granted as my senior is out of station.
Where is he?
He went to. I'm not certain about it, please.
District Court.
Sorry?
District Court.
No, not your lordship. He's out of station, actually.
Okay, right. On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of Mr. C.T. Jamil, learned senior counsel for the appellant. List the matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes, your lordship.
3 weeks.
Oblige, your lordship. Your lordships, I beg to mention item 23, your lordship. Your lordship may kindly grant me a week's time to file affidavit in this matter, your lordship. Item 23. I've taken the consent of the.
One thing I noticed in this item 23. Yesterday we were doing a matter. Where's Miss Livika? Is she here?
She's absent today, your lordship.
Absent today?
Yes.
Yesterday there was a section 3 order. Yes. Under the same provision. And the records apparently showed that this Saddam Hussein did not have any past history with regard to drugs. But in this case, his name is again there.
Yes, your lordship.
Have you spoken to the other side?
Yes, I've taken the consent as well. your
You're for the NIA.
She's appearing in through VC.
No, you were the counsel yesterday, no?
No, Lordship.
Oh, no.
Lordship, the leading counsel is appearing through VC.
Where? We cannot hear you. Unmute yourself, unmute yourself.
Lordship, yes, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. In this case, Your Lordship, as per the records available, from my possession, nothing has been recovered. Only on the basis of statement given to the IO of the case by the two alleged accused arrested persons, I have been detained under.
What are their names? What are their names? What are
Uh,
the names of your
Saddam-
accused?
Saddam Hussein
Hussein.
and yes. Only on his statement, I have been detained under PIT NDPS. Otherwise, Your Lordship, from my possession, nothing has been recovered. And as well as on the date of whatever this recovery was made, I was not at the spot, Your Lordship.
You see, yesterday we had set aside the preventive detention order against Saddam Hussein. One of the ground was that he had no past antecedent. That was
Lordship.
as per the records brought by the council. But see what he's saying. And that's exactly what I read also. Anyway,
And
he's lucky he's gone out now.
Lordship, in the instant case, I have been arrested based
Wait,
on the
no,
statement of the Saddam Hussein only.
Yes. Saddam Hussein is an infamous name.
So, Your Lordship, I may be granted a week's time, Your Lordship.
Miss
Inaholi, Your Lordship.
and Inaholi, learned counsel for the
State respondents.
state respondents. He is granted a week's time to file affidavit. This is the matter on, give it in,
Your Lordship, coming Wednesday.
Wednesday.
I think it's 3 days.
Or give it on Thursday, next day, Thursday. Oh, it's a DB matter, no?
26th
This-
or 27th.
26th of now.
26.
And Your Lordship, since the council is already appearing in item 24 and 25, Your Lordship,
Ah.
the detention has been, the detention order, they are challenging the
been-
detention order and they have been released, Your Lordship. So this may be closed, Your Lordship. 24 and 25.
Yes, Mr. Counsel, have you heard? They have been released.
Yes,
They will do.
Lordship,
So
because
this is
they have-
infractuous.
yes. Now, Lordship, this case has become infractuous. So on that basis, this cause may be disposed of, Lordship.
Okay, correct. Miss Inaholi, the learned counsel for the state of Nagaland, has submitted order number CON/NSA/07/2025/114 dated 10/11/2025, issued by the Chief Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, which is to the effect that the circumstances for detention of Mr. Japhet Newme.
Two different persons. So,
Oh.
this is one.
Okay. Wait, huh? Wait a minute. 24 pertains to whom?
Pertains to Japhet. Your Lordship.
Okay, the Japhet Newme no longer exists. And as such, he is to be released forthwith from detention under the NSA Act, under the NSA 1980. In view of the above, no, the said order dated 10/11/2025, issued by the Chief Secretary of the Government of Nagaland, is made a part of the records and marked as Annexure X. Huh? In view of Annexure X, the writ petition has become infractuous. Okay, we will record their names. Mr. What is the name?
P. Suren.
Please, Suren.
Peace, Suren, Lordship.
P. Suren appeals for the petitioner. Huh?
Item 25 also sees.
Item 25, in the order number 113 instead of 112, okay? And date is same, and the
Yes.
name is out here, Hawang Newme.
Lordship.
HAIWASB. Okay. So these documents are there. In this sign. What is this? They forgot the thing, no?
Same, no? Keep it in the record.
Keep this in the record. Sir, keep this. Okay.
Lordship.
May I please, your lordships, I beg to mention item number 15 on behalf of my senior, counsel for the petitioner. Lordship, since my senior is out of station, kindly list this matter next week.
Okay. Who is the senior?
Nityo Koza,
Where is she?
she's out of station, your lordship.
Out of station. On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of the petitioner's council. On behalf of the petitioner's council, list the matter in the next week.
Next week.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 3.
Miss
Apila Sankam, Lordship.
Apira Sanctum appears for respondent number
3.
3. 15.
Lordship, in the last order, I have been directed to produce the status report, Lordship.
So it's there. You produce it next week, let the council be there.
Lordship.
Just say Miss Apila Sankam submits that she has brought the status report
Lordship, of uploading the beneficiaries in the Bushan tracker.
of uploading the beneficiaries in the so-and-so. It's in the last order, it is there. That what
Yes,
is that portion? How do you spell that?
Bushan tracker.
Okay. This is the matter in the next.
Lordship, one submission in the last order, the Anganwadi center's number has been reflected as
Correct.
80.
Correct.
However, it is 3,980, Lordship.
Okay, right. Miss Apila Sankam further submits that in the last order, the number of Anganwadi centers that have been opened has been wrongly reflected as 380 instead of 3080.
3980.
3980.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordships, I have similar prayer for item number 16, 17, and 18.
67. One is sanitary napkin, one is blood bank.
Yes.
Ah.
Now, on the direction of the Honorable Court, Lordship, we have filed our affidavit in compliance of the court order, Lordship.
In which one?
Yes, Lordship.
In which case?
In all 3 cases.
About three cases.
Three cases.
When did you file?
Lordship, it was filed. October, the last week of October.
There is no blood bank in Long Lane.
No, Lordship, we have already set up the blood bank under the NICIT.
It's not reflected anywhere.
I- 18. No, we don't have a blood bank,
The district,
Lordship.
then
No, Lordship, there's a certain guideline issued by the Government of India. In order to have a blood bank, there should be at least minimum consumption of 2,000 units
per
annum.
annum.
Per annum, yes.
So that's a complete district. They don't have enough people. They don't consume that.
No,
much. Is
Lordship,
there
in
any
our-
study done?
Yes, Lordship, in our last affidavit, we have already filed an affidavit where we have set up blood banks in strategic locations, Lordship, where blood can be supplied wherever it's required, Lordship. We have filed an affidavit to that effect.
That is all right. But you have not filed any affidavit with regard to Long Lane.
Lordship, that was not the demand of the petition.
But then this is a PIL.
Lordship, yes.
The PIL, it's for,
Lordship,
you've got to consider that district also.
Lordship.
So
Because the nearest to Long
what you can do is you can file a status report with regard to the number of blood
Yes,
units
we have
consumed
filed.
in Long Lane district.
Long.
In Long Lane district. And if it's found that they are above consuming more than 2,000 units
Lordship.
per annum, then you have got to set up a blood bank as per your own submission.
Now, Lordship, to have a blood bank, we need a specialist
Correct, correct. It's a district, Mr. Council.
For the entire district, Lordship, there's only one specialist, blood transfusion specialist. There's only one in Nagaland, Lordship, who is catering at Naga Hospital, Kohima. Now, she has been given the charge to take care of the whole state.
No, you see, forget about blood transfusion. What about people who are having operations?
Lordship, so what does matter, Lordship? Now, the nearest district caters to the needs where bloods are required, Lordship, because of the shortage of manpower, Lordship. That is the issue. It's not that we don't want to set up, Lordship. We don't have specialists. Even for the nurse or the technicians, we require a specific qualification.
Okay, madam, you remember what I said on the next date when you're senior, they tell us.
Lordship, yes.
Long living needs attention. Anyway, right. Adjournment prayer has been made on behalf of Miss Nityo Koza, learned counsel for the petition. On the other hand, Mr. N. Mazui,
Yes.
learned counsel for the respondent number
4.
counsel for which department?
Medical department.
For the health and medical department,
Health and welfare.
health and family welfare. Submit that affidavit has been filed
Lordship,
in terms of the last order.
Lordship.
Mr. N. Modi shall also obtain instructions with regard to why blood bank has not been set up in Long Lane district.
Lordship.
Why the next date? This is the matter on.
Next week, Your Lordship.
This is the matter in next.
Lordship.
Why, Your Lordship?
Lordship.
My please, Your Lordships. I beg to mention item number 40 to 42. If this matter can be listed next week.
Yes, Mr.
Which one? He's not in station, it seems, Mrs. Yemi.
Oh, Mr. Jamir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Then on the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of Mr. C.T. Jamir, then counsel for the respondent. This is the matter
Next week, madam?
in the next week.
Lordship, I would to mention item number 38 on behalf of my colleagues. Lordship, can you list better next week?
What is the matter about, madam?
Lordship, I will be on behalf of my colleagues, Lordship.
You have no idea.
Thank you.
Who's your colleagues?
Tipapong.
Okay, right. And what to do, Mr. Joshua?
Your Lordship, since the council is not there, I cannot insist. If not, this matter actually requires early disposal,
What to do?
my lord.
On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of Mr. Tipapong,
Lordship.
Learned counsel for the state respondents.
Lordship.
This is the matter in the next week.
Next week.
You said next week, no?
Lordship.
Blush, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 33 on behalf of my senior Ms. Mr.
Yes,
I beg to mention item 33 on behalf of my senior Ms. Patini Chapu.
Lordship, if the matter can be fixed on 3rd of December.
on the prayer for adjournment made by the council for the, made on behalf of the council for the respondent, Mr. Patin Richapo. This is the matter
On 3rd of December.
on 3/12.
Lordship, in that case, if items 21 and 22 can also be listed on the same day, these are similar matters, though. If I
These are-
notice. Similar matters, Lordship. In all these 3 cases, the
Okay, right.
NIA is challenging the bail orders.
So who's for the other side, but who's for the NIA?
NIA, Lordship, I'll be,
You're the
yes,
NIA.
yes, my lord.
Sometimes government decides, no, you decide.
Yes, my lord.
It causes confusion.
Yes,
See,
my lord.
When you, it was
Unlike in other benches, Lordship, here
Does
the,
the NIS stand this side or what?
the petitioner stands this side.
Correct.
The appellant.
Yeah, what is doing that side? You stand this side.
No, Lordship,
Who is the petitioner?
here
Yes,
the
it
NIA
is.
is the appellant. Bail was allowed.
He's
And we are
against-
challenging the,
Okay.
yes, Lordship. We are the appellant here.
Okay, right. And who's for the other side? In item 21 and 22?
Lordship, I have no idea.
Has notice been issued?
Yes, Lordship, this is an admission. Lordship, as per the last order, no advocate was engaged. Yes, Lordship. Notice is completed.
Complete.
Yes, Lordship.
Oh,
Notice is completed. No advocate has been engaged.
so his notice was served upon.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship. It is recorded in the order passed
Okay, right.
on the last
prayer
date.
of Mr. Senthianga,
My lord.
Learned Counsel for the NIA. List the matter on
312.
312. No one appears for the respondents, right? Huh? No one appears for the respondent in both.
Deeply obliged.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes.
Lordship, with the IN.
PP. Any objection? Any objection? I don't think there can be any objection. This is a what?
Criminal appeal, Lordship.
Criminal appeal
Yes, my lord.
against your conviction
Yes, my lord.
under section 302.
Yes, Lordship. It's
Right,
a
heard
legal
Mr.
services matter.
Heard Mr. Senthianga, Learned Counsel for the appellant who submits that there is a delay of
486 days.
486 days in filing the appeal against the judgment dated 30/04/2024 passed by the district and sessions judge Tech, Nagaland, in GR number 43/2022, by which the appellant has been convicted under section 302 IPC. Admit the appeal, call for the TCR. Mr. V. Zimomi accepts notice on behalf of, Mr. Oh, sorry, this is not the appeal. Just said that the, Mr. V. Zimomi, cut that, admit the appeal. Mr. V. Zimomi, learned APP, submit that he has got no objection to the delay being conducted. On considering the cause for the delay and keeping in view that this is an appeal against conviction, the delay of 486 days condoned, I is accordingly disposed of. Then,
Deeply obliged.
in the main appeal, you write, that Mr. Spencer, then Council Professor, then you say that this is an appeal against the impugned judgment dated
34/2024.
30/4/2024.
Yes, my lord.
By the court of so in
GR 43/2022.
appeal number so by which the appellant has been convicted under section 302 IPC.
My lord.
Admit the appeal, call for the TCR. Mr. V. Zimomi, APP accept notice on behalf of the state. This is the matter after 4 weeks.
If it can kindly be listed on 9th of December, Lordship, so at least a direction can be given for preparation of paper book before the High Court goes into
No, we are-
vacation.
We are calling for the TCR. TCR
Yes, my
takes
lord.
time. How long will it take?
Since it's nearby the next district only, if it can kindly be listed on 9th of December, my lord. If it,
What is the date today?
19th.
When is your holiday starting?
12th is the last.
12th December, yes. So 9th is the last day of division bench, Lordship, for this year.
10th. This is the, then you say, issue-
yes,
then you
10th.
say list the matter on 10th December.
My lord, my lord.
10th is Wednesday.
Yes, my lord. Deeply obliged, my lord.
For motion, item number 2.
Any objection? 31 days only. There's nothing else. Huh? No, no objection, no? Huh? No, 302 not. We still have to- No objection, no?
No objection.
Okay, right. Right, Mr. Akito Dimovic. Then counsel,
However, your lordship, there are other two respondents also, your lordship.
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We'll go into the merits of the case. Oh, there are two respondents.
Yes.
Private respondents.
Other respondents,
No,
who
no,
I'm, who I'm not representing.
The universities, the universities.
Okay, I thought we'll partly decide the matter. Heard Mr. Learned Counsel for the applicant who submits that there's a delay of 31 days in filing the appeal against the impugned judgment and order dated 9/9/2022 passed by the learned.
9925, my lord.
Huh?
9925 is a mistake. 9925.
9/9/25 in WPC number 259 of 2022. He submits that the delay has been caused due to the late information given to the applicant with regard to the disposal of the writ petition, and the fact that there was time taken for obtaining a certified true copy of the impugned judgment and order. He also submits that the time had been consumed on meeting with a new advocate in Dimapur, which resulted in unintentional delays in filing the appeal. Mr.
N. Angami.
Angami, learned APP, AAAG.
No, Your Lordship, senior government advocate.
Senior government advocate submits that he has got no objection to the delay being permitted. But considering the submission made by the senior government advocate and on the grounds for the delay in the application, we find a sufficient cause for the delay has been made. Accordingly, the delay of 31 days comes. Then in the main case, you write. Heard Mr. Learned Counsel for the appellant. The how do I say? Your pleadings are different in the different petitions, in the writ appeals, or the same?
Pardon me, my lord?
Your pleadings are slightly different in the different appeals.
More or less the same, your lord.
It's more or less
More or less the same.
should more or less the same.
In all the writ petitions.
Fairly-
Just the names are different, the order numbers are different, your lord.
Something, I had to mark something. Okay. What have I said? Huh? Only I heard Mr. Counsel for the applicant who submits that the impugned judgment and order dated 9/9/2025, passed in WPC number
251 of 2022.
251 of 2022. Should be set aside. He submits that.
No, pardon me, my lord, in respect of this petition, it is 259.
259,
259.
259. System. He submits that. The learned single judge had dismissed the writ petition on two counts. Firstly, that the appellant did not have the basic qualification to enter service. And secondly, that the document submitted by the appellant was fake. However, the same is not correct and no chance to defend the stand of the appellant was given to it.
Yes.
That's your case?
Yeah, that's my
Issue notice returnable in 3 weeks.
4 weeks time.
Then we'll spill over next year. That means.
Your lordships, in one of the connected cases, the appeal has already been admitted
Okay.
and the statement has also been stayed.
Actually, in this case, was the DP was undertaken on?
Only in name. An inquiry board was constituted, no proceedings whatsoever.
So the show cause notice was issued to you.
Yes.
A written statement of defense was submitted
Yes.
by you, and then straight away the impugned order was passed.
Inquiry in the inquiry board, a 3-member inquiry board was constituted. They summoned me on 1/4/2022. On that day, there was no presenting officer, there was no defending officer. And they just presented us with a questionnaire.
Which
And
was
yes, they just asked us to fill the questionnaire, that was it.
and then they
And they passed the
the
inquiry,
impugned
yes.
order.
Yes.
Correct. Before issue notice to write. The further case of the petitioner is that there was no proper departmental proceeding initiated against the petitioner prior to dismissing him from service. He submits that a memorandum of charge
Yes, sir.
had been submitted,
Yes.
had been furnished to the petitioner, directing him to submit written statement of defense. The petitioner submitted his written statement of defense, denying the charges framed against him. Without any presenting officer or inquiry officer having been appointed by the state respondents, department, what board?
The inquiry board was
An
constituted.
inquiry board was constituted, consisting of 3 officers.
3 officers.
3 government officers. First time. The inquiry board called the petitioner and asked him to fill up a questionnaire form, which was thereafter taken by the inquiry board. No other communication was made to the petitioner by the inquiry board or the disciplinary authority. Instead, the impugned order of termination was issued to the petitioner, thereby giving a go-by to all the procedures that was meant to be followed, that should have been followed by the department proceeding that had been initiated against the petitioner. The learned counsel submits the next para, the learned counsel for the appellant further submit that in a similar matter, that is WA 30 of 2025, the coordinate bench of this court had stated the impugned judgment dated 9/9/2025 passed in WPC 114 of 2024. So he submits that the judgment dated 9/9/2025 had been passed on a batch of writ petitions, which included not only the judgment of the single judge which is under challenge in this appeal, but also WPC 114 of 2022. Next paragraph. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. N. Angami accept notice on behalf of respondent number
1 to 6.
1 to 6. Petitioner, appellant to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 7 to 8 by speed post within 3 days. Then right. On considering the fact that the departmental proceeding had apparently given a go by to all the requirements needed to be followed before concluding a departmental proceeding. And we are of the view that we are of the prima facie view that the impugned judgment dated 9/9/2025 should be stayed. Accordingly, the said judgment is stayed till the next returnable date.
My lord.
This is the matter on given January.
Yes, ma'am. On the reopening, ma'am.
Huh?
On the reopening after the vacation.
Give a date better. Everyone is ready, everyone knows.
Twenty-first January.
21st. In this now in item 3, the WPC number. Judgment and order date will be the same.
It's the same. Just the repetition numbers are different.
Just tell us 3.
Item 3 is 260. 260 of 22.
I mean 260 of
2022.
and item 5 and 6.
265 of 2022. Next is 265 of 2022.
No. Item 5 and 6, what is the number?
Which is 5. Item 5 is 265, madam.
Of 2022.
Yes, ma'am.
And then items 7 and 8.
7 is 264.
264, 22.
Yes.
9 and 10.
261. And 11 and 12 is 262.
Yeah.
Much obliged.
Right. I take my lordship's indulgence in item 1, lordship. I may be permitted to take steps upon the pro forma respondent. There is a pro forma respondent, lordship. By
You see, there is a division bench judgment
yes, lordship.
of the Gauhati High Court.
Lordship.
Normally notice not required to be given to the informant except for POXO case.
No, lordship, he is not an informant. This is a peculiar pro forma respondent, lordship.
Okay, right.
Yes.
Steps be taken by the appellant to the performer number 2 within 2 days
Yes, my lord.
for service of notice by speed post.
My lord, I am deeply obliged.
For motion, item number 13.
My lord, in this case, my lord, there is a delay. There is a delay, my lord, of 835 days in filing of the writ appeal. So, my lord, at this stage, yes, that's it, my lord. That's the only thing at this stage.
Mr. Learned senior counsel for the applicant who submits that there were delay of 835 days in filing the appeal against the impugned.
Judgment dated 23/6/2023.
Judgment dated 23/6/23. Dismissing dismissing WPC 44/2020. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Here's the petitioner. Appellant. Okay. Appellant to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent. One respondent
Yes, so
Yes, my lord, sole, only one respondent, NHIDCL.
Within 3 days, was service of notice by a speech post. This is the matter of the following.
For admission, item number 19. Show me, go, minutes.
What is this matter about?
Lordship, construction of road.
Is it, so you are supposed to make a DPR? Is it?
But this is not that one, Your Lordship.
Not that one.
This is,
Not that one, Lordship.
this is 19.
From Kohima to Mall.
This is
Oh,
19.
I did not forget this file. Actually, I got it, but there's nothing in written, so I didn't know what it is. I did not read this. What is this?
This is the national highway from this Lere Gate till Mau Gate.
Okay, the Manipur. Road.
Yes, yes.
The last gate for Nagaland.
So what is to be done here?
So, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, they were asked to submit a status report by way of an affidavit. They have filed the affidavit. And by filing the affidavit, they have shown that some percentage of the work has been finished. Your Lordship will see that in the affidavit of the respondent number 10.
Paragraph 2. Paragraph 2, my lord.
Paragraph
This is the one.
The table has been provided in page 3, my lord.
At page 3 is a table showing the percentage of work done in the various components of the contract work.
I hope you are following the specifications. The specifications set out by the Indian Road Congress.
No.
When you make a road, there is some certain specification for
Yes,
making the,
Lordship. Yes.
or is it?
To the best of our ability, yes.
Or is it like the roads for the hornbills?
And in fact, Lordship, a contractor has been appointed, Lordship.
No, that's all right.
Yes.
That's all right. We are on the issue of
Lordship.
whether the roads are being built as per specification.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship.
Where have you said that?
Lordship, there is no issue. as of now. With that,
This is a query being made to you
Yes,
by the
Lord.
court.
Yes, Lordship.
There is no issue with him maybe,
Yes, Lord.
but there is an issue now with the court, with you.
In that case, Lordship, no affidavit has been filed.
So you file an affidavit.
My lord.
Writing down what specification you are following while constructing the road, and the specification followed by you is based on what guidelines, what parameters, what law,
Lordship.
or whatever, I don't know.
Lordship. Lordship, we are the supervisors. Lordship. So,
Maybe you should supervise, you're the one
Yes.
who has to ensure that they're doing it as per
Yes,
specification.
Lordship. Now, in that case, Lordship, I will fully file my affidavit and the contractor as well as the NHIDCL, Lordship. They also be directed to file affidavits to that effect, Lordship.
No, everyone will do it.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Murray, you're for who? Who is that?
The contractor.
You see, you are building the road, no?
Yes, Lord.
When are you going to finish?
Lordship, because of the landslide, the 100-meter stretch, there was some delay, Lordship. But we are expected to complete by December 15th. Lordship. We have completed 72%.
And what specifications are you following while constructing the road?
Lordship, as per the guideline issued by the NHIDCL.
What is the guidelines issued by the NHIDCL?
Lordship, as per the guideline,
Let us see the guidelines issued by the NHIDCL.
Lordship, that we have not annexed.
You're not annexing. Okay, who is the NHIDCL council? Yes, Mr. Mojabir, what is the guidelines that you have issued to the contractor?
Lordship, for all the projects, For the NHIDC concern, we're following the guidelines issued by MOD.
Mode. What is the guidelines issued by MOD?
Lordship,
Who is appearing for the central government?
Lordship, I'm representing both MOD as well as NHIDC Lordship.
The buck stops with you. So show us on the next day.
Yes, Lordship.
What,
Filed by
what guidelines you are following?
Yes,
What specifications you are following?
Lordship.
And you will have to make a report as to whether the contractor is following those specifications. And the contractor will also have to write and submit an affidavit saying that you're following the specification.
Yes.
So that we will ensure that there is a check done on the road. You know how the roads are tested? Randomly. It can be tested anywhere. And if it is, huh?
There's some certain.
Actually. And if you do not follow it, then penalties will follow.
There's one more point, Your Lordship. There was a there's a stretch of 100 meters just before Lere Gate, just near that Kisama Gate, which completely collapsed. And the NHIDCL and the MRTH, they took temporary repairs. So the temporary repairs part is done, but the permanent solution part is yet to be done. So an affidavit to that effect also.
And is that part of the road contract?
Yes.
That's part of the road.
Yes.
It was within my work, scope for. But since now the whole road has been diverted now, that has gone out of my scope of work.
This is the part where land had to be acquired.
Yes,
Yeah,
that is that portion. So this actually becomes an additional contract. Some steps have to be taken by both the MRTH as well as the NHIDCL.
But who is to acquire the land then?
That's already done. Already done.
Acquired.
But what the road has been repaired, but it's just a temporary repair. So from the portion where the land collapsed, all that they've done is filled up the land. With the rains again, it'll collapse again. Unless they take some permanent solution, they make some permanent solution there. So an affidavit to that effect, Your Lordship.
Covers around 100 meters. 100 meters. Now, actually, that was within my scope of work. But after the collapse of the road, now I'm not handling that portion. But it's purely within the parameter of the NHS to work on a permanent solution.
We are not handling that.
No. That is all of my scope.
So a new tender has to be issued for that or what?
Possibly, Your Lordship.
Yes, they have.
Possibly.
They have.
Lordship, I have no instructions on that. In fact, I have no such authority. It is the NHS, it's the central government, Lordship. I'm really a supervisory agent appointed by the NHS.
My another friend, Mr. Mohan is there, he can answer.
Lordship, for temporary measure, we have appointed a consultant, Lordship, and they have submitted report, but for permanent, we will take some time, Lordship, because survey has to be conducted. We'll have to appoint a consultant and survey has to conduct it, and they will submit a report, Lordship.
Land has been acquired?
Yes, Lordship. That is
By whom?
by the state, Lordship, through the state, Lordship.
By the state.
Yes, Lordship.
And the road contract is to be done by you.
Lordship, yes, we appoint contractors to execute the work.
So has there been a DPR made for that?
For permanent, Lordship, we have to take steps, Lordship.
Why?
Because of the weather condition, Lordship.
Weather is fine now.
Yes, Lordship, we are contemplating to initiate at the earliest, Lordship.
Temporary installation work has been done.
No, it's okay. Temporary is temporary. It's like a road.
Now it's flyable, Lordship.
Like the Hornbill roads.
It'll be a whole new Lordship.
Hornbill Road. After Hornbill, everyone forgets.
Yes. In fact, we constructed the road, and after the construction, the whole road collapsed. We have completed the work.
Maybe you all didn't give enough importance to drainage.
So, Roshit, our construction was as per the specification of the nation.
I doubt.
The whole hill.
You see, the problem is when you don't give importance to drainage, then the water seeps in.
Roshit, in fact, the sinking area, that area, is not from the hilltop, it's from the.
Yes. You know what happens? This is the cliff, this is the road. Out here, there's the side of the road, there should be a good drainage. So that all the water that flows here and here, from here, it comes into the drain and goes out. If you don't put a proper drain here, then all the land below the road starts, disintegrating. So slowly but surely.
It has got a different history of landslide. That's stretch.
You are not the only state with a history of landslide. I'm living in a state where there's a lot of landslides also. In fact, more than your. Only thing is that ours is not huge, but number of them. I remember year before last there was 500 and something landslide. So you see, it's not a small thing. But you have got to give your specifications. Okay, all of you. And you give the DPR by next by before Hornbill. Can you give the DPR for Hornbill? The for permanent work. So the
For permanent solution, Lordship,
we'll call your general manager, whoever, who's the boss. If you cannot give, we'll call him. You have to either obtain instructions.
Yes.
Or we will call him and we'll ask him directly. Because you see, maybe rightly for you, they might not give you the answer. Then we'll call him. You tell him that court is willing to call him. He has to come. Give some explanation.
Lordship.
Can you impress upon him
Yes, Lordship.
that you to file an affidavit?
Yes. Yes. In fact, Lordship, the engineer concerned for the beginning is also present with the Lordship.
Who's the engineer concerned? Engineer of which
For
NHID?
PMU Jahama, Lordship. The
Project
PMU
management
Huh?
unit. Project management unit.
What is that?
That
The
the project
supervisor?
management unit looks after that construction. The project management unit of NHIDCM.
Okay. So he's looking after the
Yeah, that stretch.
that landslide area.
Yes.
Yes, what is your take on this?
Lordship, I am manager of PMU Jakhama, and I look after the Kohima Mountains, 26.794 kilometers. In that portion, there is a sinking location at nearby Kisama, sir. And this is already DBN and BC completed, sir. Crash barrier also installed.
No, Mr. Council, not a council, Mr. Manager. Is this a permanent solution?
Sir, at that time, there is a temporary solution.
So, is there any steps being taken for a permanent solution?
Sir, we have awarded a DPR, sir, for this road.
To whom?
Sir, KNJ Projects Private Limited, sir.
KNJ, when did you award them?
Sir, recently, sir, 31 October, sir. 31 October 2025.
And when are they supposed to give the report?
They give a line of action.
When they've already given a line of
Line of
action.
action, and he is completed up to April 26.
No, you see, a report has to be given by that company, correct?
Sir.
Now that has to be approved by you, correct?
Sir.
And what is the cost of the project?
Sir, we have awarded 2 crores, sir, approx 2 crore for DPR.
That is for the DPR.
Only for
So has the
DPR.
DPR been submitted?
No, sir.
When-
Recently, sir, awarded.
When will it be submitted?
Sir, April 26, sir, final DPR.
April 26th.
April 26th. April 26th, your monsoon will start.
Sir, they have submitted many more reports, sir. First, they give inception report, then feasibility report.
I think you give them less time.
Sir?
Can you give them less time?
No, sir. They are completed, sir, up to April. They have to be completed, sir.
They have completed what? They have completed. I'm not understanding.
To be completed, sir. To be completed by April.
The DPR is to be completed
Ah,
by April.
Yes.
That means nothing. When is the working season in Nagaland?
The working season from October, sir. From October to March.
October to March. So then this working season gone.
Sir.
This working season is gone.
Sir, but we have a sir STMC contractor now, sir, to traffic worthy condition of roads, sir. to maintain the roads. In
Who is your head? Office head here. Who is looking after this Nagaland in the area we said? Who is
sir, all Nagaland are executing director. Yes.
Where?
The PMU, there's a general manager.
General manager.
Yes.
Sir.
Where is the general manager?
Jakhama.
Let him come.
In charge.
Is there?
Actually, in case of the sinking zone area, we have the taken the temporary arrangement, and this is already completed, sir. This is the, we have in protections, I list that will be stable, I take 1 and 2 years, the minimum, sir. Because we have the nailing 6 to 9 meter up to 12 meters, sir. And protect with the spindle metal wire mesh, sir. So certainly sinking zone area will be protectable at least till the original work will be started. We have the allotted we have the hired the TPR consultant for the preparation for the permanent solution of the entire distress. So that he has submitted the timeline for the submissions of the DPR.
He has submitted a timeline for submission of the DPR.
Yes, sir.
He has not submitted a timeline for construction, nothing. Only
After-
DPR has to be approved.
Sir, after the submissions of the DPR, we have called the we have awarded the tender, sir, and then work will be taken up, sir.
So work can be taken
but,
up only next year.
Yes, sir.
Next year, November only.
Oh, after, sir, after submissions of the April, he submitted a DPR. Immediately we have take the approval of the ministries and the process for the tender will be started, sir. And most probably it will be take up the work in coming financial year, like 26-27, sir. And sir, alternate route, we have also explored the one alternate route from to Kohima to even Senapati, sir. So that this is also we have hired the one DPR consultant for the alternate route. This is under the process, sir. And that after tomorrow, there is the one meeting with the DPR consultant regarding the, sir, to finalization of the alignment of the alternate route, sir. So there are two ways. One is we have strengthening the existing roads, sir. Another is the alternate route, sir. But sir, we ensure it is the temporary arrangement, that is the not temporary, that will I just stable, sir. That will be stable, sir.
For how long?
Sir,
1 year.
Before floating new tender.
Supposing it collapses as soon as you float tender, then what happens? Because your guarantee is only before floating tender. So supposing on the day you float it, it collapses, then what happens?
Sir, engineering point of view, sir, we have taken the remedial measures. We had the in the interval of 2 meters the nailing to 6 to 12 meters, sir, inside the hill, and properly protected with the netting of the wire mesh, sir, entire sliding zone area, sir. And we have making the proper drainage already completed, sir. All the safety measures we have already taken, sir. And I hope, sir,
for preventing further landslide.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
for what about prevention of the sinking area?
Sir, we have provided the CTSB crust of the CTSB, sir. We have mixed the cement in the subgrade of the layer of the
You
WMM.
have put holes inside the earth.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is protection work in the under construction, sir. This is the that is the breast wall, and we properly make the weep holes and proper filter media, so that if any water hydraulic pressure will be also released, sir, so that the wall will be stable, and the sliding zone also
Okay.
proper stable,
Now-
sir.
Now, what about the specification, road specification?
Sir, we have-
What are you following?
Sir, we have to follow the MISTI more specification, sir. MISTI has calculated the one special specification for the highway road work, sir.
So do you monitor the standard of work
Yes,
done?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have a report of the work done by them, the test reports?
Yes, sir.
of the,
Yes, sir.
road
We,
specification?
sir, as per the specifications of the MISTI specifications, by consultant is time to time they tested all the relevant tests, sir. As per the frequency of the test, sir.
You will also have to test your consultant also.
Sir, sir,
Not
generally,
only the road.
sir, as per MISTI guidelines, sir, the testing is the responsibility of the consultant, sir. But 3% of the test, the authorities is also, sir, authority and the judicial people also, sir, tested, sir. Randomly, sir.
Anyway, let us ask for, let them file their affidavit.
Sir, we hope, sir, this sliding area, sliding zone is the, sir, nowadays stable, sir, because we have the engineering point of view, have the all the remedial measures, sir, and parallelly, sir, we have making the DPR, sir, to strengthening of the entire stretch, sir, from the Kohima to Mau, sir. And my MD sir also, sir, we have one alternate road also we are exploring, sir, which is under the finalization of the alignment. After the finalization of the alignment, sir, with the consent of the state government, sir, that will be DPR will also be take up,
But
sir.
then again, out there you will have to acquire land.
Yes, sir.
That is a
Sir,
long-term plan.
Sir, there are two ways, sir. One is that we have strengthening the existing road, sir. And another way we have exploring the another one alternate road, sir. So in future there will be two roads from the yes, sir, from the Kohima to Manipur, sir. Imphal. Yes, sir. One is the existing road we will maintain, sir, and another we alternate there will be alternate road, sir.
Okay, let us see. Right, Mr.
Thanks, sir.
Reforming Learned Council for the. Then Amicus.
Yes, my lord.
Then Amicus Curie. Also heard Mr. Senti Younger for
Respondent number 10.
respondent number 10. Mr. Moa Jamir for
1, 2, and 8.
1, 2, and 8.
Yes, sir.
Mr. N. Mozuri for
13.
13 and 14. Mr. Imti Imsong.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11.
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Mr. Your name?
Prem Sagar Pandey, sir.
Prem
Prem Sagar Pandey.
Sagar Pandey.
I am in charge of the PMU.
GM.
Yeah, what is your designation?
My manager technical, sir.
Huh?
Manager project.
Manager projects. What? PMU. And Mr. Shakti Singh Yadav, manager, PMU. Correct. The respondents shall file an affidavit individually stating as to whether they have been following the specifications introduced by Mort, while constructing the Kohima to Mau Road. The council for the respondent number 10 shall also submit in his affidavit the status report of the test done by the respondent number 7 on the completed sections of the road completed by the contractor. Next paragraph. The general manager project PMU submits that the sinking area and the landslide that had occurred near Kisama has now been taken care of in a temporary capacity. And the same should hold up for how many? 6 months, 10 months, how much?
Sir, it is scheduled, sir.
For how long?
Somehow permanent, sir.
Huh?
Somehow permanent.
Somehow permanent.
Sir, we have taken all the remedial measures, sir, as per engineering point of view, sir.
Should hold up for some time. But they cannot be sure. How are they cannot be sure with certainty as to how long it will hold. They have a submit that work has been given to which company for that timeline for that DPR for the K&J projects. Huh? K&J Projects Private Limited for submitting a DPR for the what? Huh? No, for what? For retaining wall or what?
No, sir. Existing road of the Kohima mouth, sir.
For strengthening
Yeah.
the existing road where the landslide has occurred. Correct?
Yes.
Landslide and the sinking area has occurred. The timeline given for making the DPR is April 2026. Full stop. Thereafter, thereafter approval of MOT would be taken and the same would be put to tender. Full stop. He also submits that an alternative road is being considered by NHIDCL. And in this respect, a DPR is being prepared by
Stanley, Stanley, Caritas.
what?
Stanley, STA and
Stanley
Caritas.
Caritas. CA
RITUS.
TUS Caritas Private Limited. No. Stanley Caritas, huh? Full stop. Thereafter, land would be acquired and road will be built. He submits that there would be 2 roads linking Kohima to Manipur. The affidavits should be filed by the respondents within 2 weeks. This is the matter on given it.
10th December. Much obliged. For admission, item number 20.
What is this? Call him. This is not a fish market or a bazaar or the street. This is next time you do that, I'll have to put you in some free residential place for at least some time. Be careful, don't do this. Not in court. Item?
Item 21.
Please, Your Lordship. As directed by this Honorable Court on 3rd September 2025.
3rd September 25.
Last 2 months. I've communicated the Honorable Court's order to the state respondents 2 to 5. Accordingly, they have initiated, however,
Initiated
TPR
what? Initiated what?
For allocation of fund, also for preparation of the TPR. However, TPR is yet to be prepared as the Ministry of Road Transport and National Highways are in the process of appointing consultant project management consultants, PMC, services for preparation of detailed project report.
225 is the state, my lord.
Yes.
And this is a national highway, it's not the concern of the state, it is for the MRTH and the.
That doesn't have to do anything.
We are only a supervisory agent.
So the union,
Union has to come.
Who is for the union government?
Mr. Yangarwati was there.
Huh? Cynthia?
No, Mr. Yangarwati.
Yangarwati. Oh.
The last order is dated 22nd of October, Your Lordship. And some time was taken to inform this honorable court about the
State
DPR.
government doesn't have to do anything. Basically, it is the central government. This is under NHIDCL. It's a NHI, work is to be done by NHIDCL. correct?
No, more, my lord, this work has not been assigned to the NHRC yet.
Not assigned.
Not assigned.
It will be assigned.
Ultimately, maybe, Your Lordship.
All will be. What? No, I don't. No, you are not required by him. The central government is required. Without him, we cannot move forward. I think he's had enough for the day.
They were in fact, last occasion, they were to inform the court. Respondent.
Might be halfway to Dinapur by now.
He was here.
Anyway, what to do? Next week?
Next week, madam.
As no one appears for this point number one. This is the matter in the next week.
Oh, he's coming.
You're supposed to submit a DPR.
It's not such a best.
No,
Look at the
no.
last one.
See, 2210, 25.
You saw the order? Hang on. Give the order, look at the first paragraph. First paragraph.
Next week.
Only one thing, just tell me, this DPR is supposed to be for acquisition or for the road?
For the road.
For the road.
For the acquisition of land.
But usually out here, the land is to be provided by the state, or they are going to provide the money for acquisition?
The MOD provides the money, Your Lordship, and the land is acquired through the state.
No, because you see now there's a change in the manner the central government does things. Now they sometimes tell the state, give the land, we'll provide the road. That has to be clarified.
So, but in terms of the Highways Act, my lord, it is purely the central government's responsibility to acquire.
No, maybe, but then they'll say that we won't make. So you see, that is what happens in the consultation period, how they formulate the agreement between them.
But that is not being done here, my lord. That is not being done.
Yes, sir.
My lord, in the state of Nagaland, we have a special provision whereby land belongs to the people. The state cannot simply without the
Acquisition.
NOC.
Acquisition.
NOC from the
Landowners.
The Land Acquisition Act 1894 was.
Applies.
It applies.
No, no.
Then what about the 2013 Act? Won't it apply?
It does, my lord.
Huh?
It does.
Won't it apply?
Then it has to be acquired.
No, it has to be acquired, that much we know. But what law will be applicable for acquisition of land?
It's in Highway Act 1956.
Huh?
As per the National Highway Act.
Is that applicable in the state of? No?
Yes, my lord. It is.
National Highways Act is applicable.
1956. Yes, my lord.
Land Acquisition Act is applicable.
Yes, my lord.
Then if that is there, then why shouldn't 2013 Act be applicable?
Yes, this answering also.
I think you have got a case something like this.
Yes, my lord.
That's why.
It's going on. Pending meeting.
I think you have got a case.
Yes, my lord.
You have filed an appeal, I think.
It's pending, yes.
It's pending.
The appeal was filed by the state.
Huh?
The appeal was filed by the state.
By the state.
What the appeal was filed by the
Yes.
stating what?
371A again, my lord.
GA.
371A again.
But then the issue is this. God bless, isn't that? So 1894 Act has been repealed by the 2013 Act. But the thing is that when you consider whether an amendment and a repeal are they similar? So can it be said that the 2013 Act is an amending act of 1894? So just think about it. Anyway, we're digressing. I read somewhere your name was there. I think today is listed.
No, my lord.
No,
Not
so
listed.
then when did I read about it?
Perhaps on a previous occasion, my lord.
Maybe last occasion.
Oh,
maybe.
okay.
The government is saying that 2013 is not applicable,
Yes.
isn't it?
Okay. We'll have to think clearly. Huh? Yeah. Just look at the. No, but then maybe you'll have to look at the 7th schedule also.
No, state doesn't belong even a single inch of it. Then,
No, I'm not on that. I'm not on, the land belongs to the people. 100%. That we agree. But whether the Land Acquisition Act will be applicable. Because you're going to say, because of 371A, it is not applicable. But whether, you see, you are talking about transfer, what is the transfer of land?
Land and its resources.
Ownership and transfer of land. Now whether acquisition will come within that,
Doesn't, my lord.
whether acquisition will come within the meaning of that ownership and transfer. You know, just think about it. Anyway, this is not the topic, we just digressing. Where are we?
The DPR.
DPR. Yes.
Next week. I'll finish the DPR next week first.
Oh, you will furnish, I doubt. Have they started work on the DPR? Have you got any clue? Have you spoken to them? You don't know. How will you furnish? If you don't know. Have you spoken to them?
Yes, no, sir.
Are they on the job or something? DPR is not so easily made, I'll tell you that.
That's why,
It takes time.
I'll speak with the advisor.
You see, just now we did that matter. Just prior to this case.
Yes.
You see that DPR, that the timeline given for the DPR is April 26.
6 months.
6 months.
So I don't think you'll be able to, but for.
The sick instruction, Lord.
Yes, please seek, clear instructions. Okay. There's no point me telling you furnish DPR and you're not going to be able to furnish because you're not talking to them And you are not being practical. You have got to be practical.
We already to seek instruction, Lordship, by the state.
Okay, right. Mr. Yangarwati, Learned Council for
Union of India.
Union of India,
It's one.
submits that he will obtain the instructions as to whether the work on the DPR for the road, for the construction of the road, or maintenance,
Construction.
for the construction of the road has started. And as to when the same can be made available to the court. This is the matter. Next week.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 26.
No, please, Your Lordship. There were certain lapses, communication lapses, so we were not able to do the needful, so every step may be granted.
For?
We submit the report affidavit.
Who's affidavit?
To report the affidavit on the regarding the service.
Whose service?
To respond number 4.
What is the matter about?
This matter is regarding the order passed by the single judge in an area where we were not allowed to file affidavit of opposition. So we're challenging that.
What did you want to say?
Sorry, Your Lordship.
What did you want to say in the application?
That actually we wanted to withdraw this is regarding the election petition, and we wanted to withdraw the election petition.
You wanted to withdraw?
Yeah, we wanted to withdraw. And to file in the proper format, because that was the main issue. And so for that, we have filed an affidavit for withdrawal of that particular election petition, which we were not supposed to, which we were not allowed. So for that, we wanted to file an affidavit.
You were not allowed to withdraw. So you wanted to file an affidavit stating what? Once your prayer has been disallowed, how would the affidavit help you?
No, actually, what happened is the election petition was pending before the election tribunal. And when it was when the matter was pending, the other party has filed a writ petition for say of a particular order. In that order, we have stated they have made an issue that the election petition was not filed in the proper format. So for that, they came to the for the.
So you wanted to withdraw and file a.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Akiru.
No, Your Lordship, election petitions. Your Lordship, election petitions, Your Lordship knows, a serious business. You cannot take it lightly. It was filed in a very perfunctory manner. It was filed after a period of limitation. And election law, the time period is self-contained. There is no scope for expansion of time, Your Lordship. That was the case. I came before the Honorable Court. A submission was made on behalf of the respondents that they will withdraw the election petition. Simply withdraw, nothing else, Your Lordship. That prayer was allowed. So go and withdraw. The respondent was directed to go and withdraw and place the order before his court. With that liberty, what they did was they filed an application for withdrawal with liberty to file afresh, as well as condonation of delay in filing the election petition. So I opposed that, and I said, no, the liberty granted to withdraw should be withdrawn, and the writ petition should be heard on merits. That was allowed, and that is under challenge now.
Anyway, there was something.
That's already.
On the prayer made by Miss
Toshi
Javed, Learned Counsel for the
petitioner appellant.
Appellant. Place the matter on in the next week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In the next week.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 27.
May I, Lordships? Yeah, I have instructions to appear for the respondents, all the respondents.
Oh, very good. You did not take steps. You did not take steps for service of notice, but you have somehow managed to convey that this case is here. So good for you.
We have not received the copy yet, but.
Actually, he did not take steps. But he has informed you personally, it appears.
I may be served directions.
Ask him, give him copy.
Today was.
Right. This is a delay application.
264 days.
Any objection?
We will be filing our objection as well.
In the IA, 176. Though no steps have been taken by the applicant for service of notice upon the respondents, the Mr.
I, Jamil.
I. Jamil appears and submits that he will be appearing for all the respondents. Have you submitted Wakalatnama?
Not yet, no.
He submits that he will submit Wakalatnama within
A week. Their individuals are living in separate.
within a week. He also prays for
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file objection to the application for condonation of delay of 365 days. Praise the Lord. This is the matter of the 3 weeks.
Obliged. For hearing item numbers 35 and 36.
You see, they were saying that there's going to be an adjournment in this matter in the morning.
But I'm concerned, I'm not seeing it.
Huh?
I'm not seeing it.
Yes, who is appearing?
My lord, item 35 and 36.
Yes.
My lord, we appear for the appellants in item number 35.
Yes.
In the morning, I believe that some of the respondents had informed the local council that they'll be seeking some time, my lords.
No, that is what was, you all had said that they would be seeking time. They are here, they said they're not seeking time.
Very well, my lord. My lord, we are being led by Miss Pinky Anand, the senior advocate in the matter, my lord. If the matter may be posted for another date.
Okay, this is after 3 weeks. Right, on the prayer made for adjournment by Miss, Madam, what is your name?
Isha Datta, my lord. We appear for the appellants in the first matter, item number 30.
Your name is what? Siddharth Pandey. Huh?
My name is Isha Datta, my lord.
Isha Datta.
Yes.
My
lord,
Anyway, that's right. On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of Miss Pinky Datta, senior advocate by Mr.
Oh, my lord. Pinky Anand, my lord.
Pinky Anand.
Yes.
By Miss Isha Datta. List the matter.
My lord, if I can request for 7th or 14th of January, the matter is listed for final arguments. It can be taken up comprehensively. On 7th or 14th of January, my lords.
14th.
Yes, my lord. 14th of January. Yes. 14th of January is good, my lord.
Usually we start.
19th.
My lord, 7th or 14th,
It is closed. 7th and 14th is closed.
My lord, then matter may be fixed on 10th December if it's all right with the remaining respondents, my lord.
They want, they said that after vacation. You'll have to come to a compromise.
21st January, my lord, if that's okay.
Okay, 21st January. Okay.
Very well. Thank you, my lord. Thank you.
Your lordship, I am in item number 36. Not this is led by senior counsel Dr. Manish Singhvi. However, we would seek a short passover in this matter, your lordship.
Look, it's on the same issue, correct?
Yes, yes, so your lordship, it is a connected issue.
So let it be heard on 23rd. We already passed the order for the 21st of January.
Obliged, your lordship, 14th of January.
Yes. No, 14th is a holiday.
Sorry. So when is the date for this matter? Next date?
21 January.
Obliged, your lordship.
Miss, what is your name?
Shalini Haldar.
Miss Shalini Haldar appears for the
Petitioner in item
petitioner in
36.
in WA number
36, item number 36, Your Lordship.
no, that's all. WA number 12 of 2024. We
For hearing item number 43.
May I please, my lord? My lord, this is an appeal preferred by the Department of Horticulture, and this particular appeal, we are challenging the judgment and order dated 27/11/2024, passed by the learned single judge. My lord, while preparing this item 33 and 34.
No, this is 43. Item 33, 34.
Oh, sorry, my lord. I'm extremely sorry, my lord. I'm extremely sorry.
Item 33 and 34 has been adjourned.
My lord, our item number is 43 and 44, my lord.
43, yes.
43.
Yes, deeply obliged, my
Yes,
lord.
madam.
My lord, this is an appeal that has been prepared by the Department of Horticulture. My lord, we are here in this appeal, we are challenging a judgment and order dated 27/11/2024, passed by the learned single judge. But while preferring the appeal, my lord, there is a delay of 199 days.
Okay.
And sufficient cause has been shown in my IA from para 3 onwards. Here, my lord, I have explained that we have come to know about the passing of this order after 20 to 25 days thereafter.
After?
Once we have, after 20 to 25 days of from the
After
day of passing of
22, 25.
days from the passing of the order, my lord.
22,
Because we have not
25 days. What do you mean 22, 25?
my lord, this order has been passed on 27/11/2024.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, after we received this particular order, the matter has been referred to the Department of Legal Affairs. That is on 7/3/2025.
What is the issue? What is the issue?
Issue, my lord, here in this particular appeal, the learned single judge has directed to regularize the service of writ petitioner number 1 and writ petitioner number 2. That is Arvind Singh and Anjali Singh, my lord. That, my lord, will find in my appeal, my lord. We have also annexed the judgment in the IA, perhaps. My lord, judgment has not been annexed in IA. My lord, may find it at page.
They were appointed when?
My lord?
They were appointed when?
My lord, they were appointed perhaps in 2006 in the department. And for 15 to 17 years, my lord, they have offered their service. Thereafter, they have preferred an application to regularize their service. And there was a direction by the learned single judge to regularize their service by the judgment and order dated 27/11/2024. Just a moment, my lord. That, my lord, will find at page 124 of the writ.
So what is wrong with the judgment of the single judge?
My lord, that is the wrong, my lord. This particular judgment has been passed by invoking the principle of reasonable expectation. Now, principle of reasonable expectation
Not
cannot
reasonable.
be invoked.
It must be legitimate.
Sorry, my lord, legitimate expectation. And this particular principle cannot be invoked for a simple reason. When there is a statutory rules that has been enforced by the concerned department, then it is the obligation of the department to follow that particular recruitment process that has been incorporated in the rules. That cannot be bypassed, my lord.
Where is the
So there,
writ petitioner 1 and 2? They
yes, my lord.
are still working or what?
They are still working, my lord. They are still working.
So they have worked for 20 years now.
My lord, that I have to calculate and assess. No,
You
if
see,
my lord,
the thing is, when were they, when they were appointed, were they
yes, my
appointed
lord.
in some substantive vacancy?
There was no such vacancy, my lord.
Let us see the appointment
Because during that time, this particular Department of Horticulture has been newly established at the Nagaland. Now, thereafter, my lord, we need some immediate to recruit somebody in those particular posts. So that is why they have been recruited in
they
terms
were,
of ad hoc basis.
when they were recruited, was there any rules, service rules?
Yes, my lord, the service rules were prevailing.
When?
But my lord,
No, did
but
they
my lord,
as per the service rules, did they qualify?
yes, yes, my lord. But my lord, there is a difficulty, my lord. If my lord wish to hear this particular case on merit, then my lord, I have to seek an adjournment today.
No,
But
no.
so far as-
We are thinking whether your case deserves to be condoned. Your application deserves to be condoned, keeping in view the merits of the
yes,
case.
yes, my lord. No, if my lord goes to the merit of the case, my lord, then I have to seek an adjournment. I have to personally appear over there, my lord. And then my lord may fix in any other dates which is suitable to this honorable court. I will personally go there to appear, my lord.
Okay, now we get your case. We already know what a case is.
Yes, my lord.
Now tell us why we should allow your condonation of disability.
No, my lord, because the department took some time in taking administrative process, my lord. My lord may kindly come to
What
para
does
number.
the Supreme Court say with regard to that?
My lord, if sufficient cause has been showed, then
No sufficient cause. What are the latest judgments? That they stand at the same footing as a private individual.
no, there may be the same footing. My lord, there is always some latitude is desired when a particular appeal is filed by the department because you have to
Show
go
me a
through a layers
citation.
of decision.
Show me a
That I have
citation.
explained in my in my delay condonation petition. My lord, initially, when the judgment and order was passed on 27/11/2024.
Show us your
Thereafter,
citations.
my lord,
Show us
this is
your
not fictitious,
citations.
my lord. The causes are genuine, my lord.
Maybe
So far as the department,
show us your citations on the basis of which you say
no, my
that
lord, if I have to place some citation, my lord, then I would urge my lord to adjourn the matter for today. My lord may kindly fix it on coming week. I shall be there to argue the matter.
what was it fixed for today? Why was it delayed today?
No, my lord, perhaps this is fixed on the hearing column, but delay has not been condoned by the honorable court.
I don't know whether it's been fixed on the hearing. If it's hearing, then it's hearing. Should be ready.
My lord, kindly accommodate me for today. My lord, may kindly fix this matter for next week, my lord. I will personally come and argue this matter with some citation of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes, Mr. Counsel.
Your Lordship, if the council has difficulties today, and I have no objection, but however, Your Lordship, as Your Lordship has rightly said, in postmaster attended to Your Lordship. That case which I, this case law I have given Your Lordship, 2012 3 SCC 563, Your Lordship. As Your Lordship has rightly pointed out, para 29. Lord Figures for it, para 29.
Yes.
In our view, it is the right time to inform all the government bodies, their agencies and instrumentalities that unless they have reasonable and acceptable explanation for this delay, and there was bona fide therefore, there is no need to accept the usual explanation that the file was kept pending for several months, years due to considerable degree of procedural red tape in the process. The government department are under special obligation to ensure that they perform their duties with diligence and commitment. Condonation of delay is an exception, the Lordship, and should not be used as an anticipated benefit for the government department. The law shelters everyone under the same and should not be used for the benefit of the few. Now, considering 30 is relevant, I am also relying on this, Your Lordship. Considering the fact that there was no proper explanation offered by the department for the delay, except mentioning of various days. That is what has been done in this, Your Lordship. According to us, the department has miserably failed to give an acceptable and cogent reason sufficient to condone such a huge delay. Accordingly, that will was dismissed, Your Lordship. In the instance case, Your Lordship. Now, there is a distinction between pleadings under CPC and in writ petition, Your Lordship, and the writ appeal is a continuation of the writ petition, Your Lordship. Now, whereas in the plain, only the facts are to be stated, the writ petition, Your Lordship, not only the facts, even the documents in support of the facts has to be annexed, Your Lordship. But in the present case, just in this, Your Lordship, except for the vague statement mentioning for some dates, Your Lordship, no documents has been annexed, Your Lordship, in support the statement, Your Lordship. No. And Your Lordship, I fully submit, had the petitioner or the appellant has furnished annexed all the documents, the correspondence which is stated in the petition, Your Lordship, I would not have raised any objection. But in a very casual manner, the petition has been filed seeking for condemnation of delay without annexing any documents to support the statements were made. Now, if the Lordship can direct the appellant to file an additional affidavit in support, annexing all those documents in support of the statement, which statement, several dates has been given. It was on this date, it was done this on this date, except for that, no documents have been annexed, Your Lordship. Now, at least for the satisfaction of this court, your condonation of delay, Your Lordship, is an exception.
Why should we allow him to file additional affidavit?
Yeah, I have also not, okay, if they can do that, Your Lordship. To be fair enough, But petition as it.
I thought you were going to say that it should be dismissed.
Yes, as on the face of it, Your
No, my
Lordship,
lord,
should be dismissed.
my lord, has been sufficient cause has been shown. My lord, whenever a decision, whether to prefer an appeal or not, my lord, it has to go to the layers of decision-making process by the department. So in that event, my lord, there is some delay. So I urge my lordship to kindly adjourn the matter for today. On coming Wednesday, my lord, I am personally coming to the Kohima bench to argue this matter, my lord. Kindly accommodate me for today only, my lord, so that I can also come up with some kind of suggestion to convince this honorable court that I have a valid reason that has been ascribed in my petition to condone the delay.
You should have it now with you.
No, my lord, I'm extremely sorry, my lord, because of some difficulty, my lord, I could not keep them along with me for today. My lord, kindly accommodate me for today only, my lord. Next week, I'm coming to Kohima bench, my lord, to argue this matter. Because even my senior has specifically mentioned that there are some dates that has been mentioned in my delay condonation petition, but there is no supporting document that has been annexed with. Because otherwise, my lord, on each date, what is the development that has been taken place? Finally, I'll ultimately come to a decision that the
Thank you with me. The conduct of the Lordship, may kindly see this letter. The appeal was filed, Your Lordship. Present appeal was filed on 16/7/2025. This is a letter dated 14/10/2025, Your Lordship. Now, this is addressed to one of the respondent, Your Lordship. Sir, it has been brought to your notice that the contract period of 6 months will defer from this to this as technical constraint has expired. The ministry has informed that the order issued by the court to maintain status quo implies, your lordship. If the appeal has not been admitted, your lordship, now we are on condemnation of delay. The conduct of the appellant, your lordship, it's very suspicious. From in the petition, your lordship, condemnation from para 3 to 8, several dates have been mentioned, only dates, your lordship. Only dates, no supporting documents. And the conduct of the petition, I am questioning because, your lordship, this appeal has been filed after filing of the contempt, your lordship. See, they're even creating their own order using the name of the court, your lordship. Actually, this is very serious.
We'll receive on next week. Okay, we'll receive on next week. And,
No, my lord, may I please, my lord?
huh?
My lord, may kindly come to page 135 of the.
Look, if you are going to argue, we'll dispose
Yes,
of
my lord.
If you all want to argue, we'll dispose of the matter.
No, my lord, may I kindly
I
adjourn
don't
me.
want,
Adjourn.
we don't want to hear you and then have to accept your prayer for adjournment. Either we hear and decide the matter or we adjourn without
No,
hearing.
then, my lord,
There's no
I
point wasting time.
deeply obliged, my lord. Then I would like to seek adjournment for today only, my lord. My lord, may kindly fix this matter for coming week. I will personally come and argue. This is my humble prayer before my lord.
Okay, but you see,
Kindly adjourn this matter for today only, my lord.
you've got a good case.
And thereupon, my lord, I have not sought any kind of adjournment in this matter, my lord.
I don't know, you are prepared to argue, but once we started asking you for the merits of the case, you suddenly seem to
No,
have.
my lord, when I come on next week, my lord, I will be. I shall be prepared both.
On the prayer made on behalf of, no, on the prayer made by Mr. B. Deka,
Be account.
learned counsel for the applicant. This is the matter in the next witness day. Really? Huh? Oh, we finished.
What's the last matter?
There's a last matter. Oh, we should have heard that.
Lordship has considered single bench only.
Short matter. Okay.
for item numbers 1 and 2.
Yes.
My lord. Actually, at the outset, your lordship, I beg to take your lordship my appointment order. Appointment order, your lordship. This
Who is for the respondent number 3?
non-represented. He has not come.
Notice has been served?
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, we will see.
2023, your lordship.
2011-23. 2011-23. There is no 2011.
Steps taken upon no 1, 2, and 6 for registered post to the deed.
2011-23. No, where is the order of this court saying that
No, 24,
that deemed service or something like that?
24. Is deemed served. 10/5/24, your lordship. 10/5/24.
10/5. Yes. So your case is that if I'm not mistaken,
yes,
you are the
Senior most.
You are the head assistant.
Yes, your lordship.
Correct.
Yes, your lordship.
And so promotion is made from UDA to head assistant.
Head assistant
to assistant
assistant
manager.
manager.
Now, to become assistant manager, you have to have 2 years of service.
Yes, your
as
lordship.
HA.
Yes, your lordship.
Correct.
Yes, your
Where
lordship.
is that?
Now, your lordship.
Show me the rules.
There is no rule, your lordship. Service rule is not there.
Okay.
Service,
Then how do we know that?
service rule is not there. A resolution, your lordship.
Date where?
Then I beg to take your lordship, page 24.
24.
The seniority as on January 23.
Page 24.
And operative portion is in page 25, your lordship.
Page 24, 25. Yes.
25. Your lordship, this head assistant,
Yes.
number 1, Inaka KIMA.
That is you.
That is, I am for the 2.
You're
Then
two. Okay.
H. Kohutosema, I am for these 2.
No. Achha, there are 2 cases.
There are 2 cases. Now,
So head assistant,
head assistant.
Inake K. Amy, this is Ukoto
Ukoto.
Suri and Inaka K. Okay. So there are only 2 UDA.
Yes,
Head
your
assistant. I mean,
head assistant, your lordship. Now, your lordship, I beg to take your lordship the next UDA. And this
Yes.
Tobika Sumi. He is the respondent, private respondent number 3.
Tovika.
Tobika.
Respondent number 3.
Yes.
In which case?
Tobika.
Tovika, in which case? WPC?
Both cases, your lordship.
Achha. So 2 writ petitioners against 1 person there.
Yes.
So in both cases, so that means even if the petitioners succeed, only one of them can be appointed.
There are 2 petitions, your lordship. Now,
Correct.
yes. Now, your lordship.
Now, who is for the writ petitioner in the other case?
Myself, your lordship. Myself, your lordship. Now, your lordship, that I am against the injustice and I am against the. Actually, your lordship, favoritism has gone crossed the limit.
Now you show me.
Your lordship.
You show me that that the post of assistant manager is to be filled up by a head assistant. Where is that?
This is, Your Lordship, this resolution.
Page?
Annexure 5, page 22. Annexure 5, page 22.
Yes.
This second para, Your Lordship.
Yes.
However, after the creation of 2 head assistant posts in level 10, it is hereby resolved that promotion from HA to assistant manager will be allowed on the following conditions. This resolution will come into effect only after the HS completes the minimum length of service to be eligible for promotion, that is 2 years.
Okay.
Now, Your Lordship, that respondent number 3, who as on, Your Lordship, as on 31st/1/2023, as on 31st/1/2023, he was UDA. While we were HA, but he was UDA. Now, he was promoted to assistant manager as per seniority list, Your Lordship.
Just a minute.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is 16 to 23, seniority list. Is it?
As on January 23.
As on January 23.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. And so this resolution says, in reference to representation by such a staff, which was duly forwarded to so requesting for review the minutes and board anything. Let us see the 79 and 80th Board of Directors meeting. Mentioned in page 22.
That is not with me, Your Lordship. That is with the respondent, Your Lordship. They do not give us.
Let us see the promotion order of the respondent number 3.
Yeah, Your Lordship, this is page 26, Annexure 7. Page 26.
December. Head assistant.
Head assistant to assistant manager. Now, Your Lordship, he was UDA as on 31st January 23. It seems that, assuming but not admitting, it seems that.
No, then you need 2 years.
Yes, yes. So this is. So they ought not to have gone against their
Even
definition.
if he was promoted, we don't know.
Yes.
Even if he was promoted, he could have not been more than 1 year. Not even 1 year.
Not even 1 year, only a few months.
But we don't even know if he's promoted.
Yes.
Or whether he's become. But as on January, he was not HA.
No.
Yes. Yes. What is your stand?
The shop here is a respondent is a company, purchaser of the company, company 956. Of course, it's a government company. Now the thing is, would I have super? Would I have a service room?
Huh?
No service room.
No
service
room.
No
service
service
room.
room. Yes. So we put the resolution of the board of directors.
Yeah.
And now the promotion, next promotion is assistant manager.
Correct.
So since it's a purely company, so we have to see the administrative efficiency. So when we focus on the administrative efficiency, so we have to provide the qualification, educational qualification. So that was a contention of the board of directors, for which we have, by resolution, we have given the promotion to the.
But the board of, the resolution on 12/12/22, the promotion order.
Yes.
Does not show that. You please come to page 26.
Yeah, that resolution is such, but the thing is that the policy of the company.
You cannot, the policy of the company has to be in writing, not in thin air.
Yes, you're
No, you know, the promotion on the same cadre, same batch, promotion on the educational qualification, it doesn't violate the Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India in one way, unless the step taken by the employer is arbitrary or
very arbitrary.
No, it is not arbitrary, Lordship here.
What is the reason for promotion? Let us see your affidavit. What have you said in your affidavit?
My affidavit, paragraph number 8 and 9. It is 8, 9, 10.
What have you got to say about the seniority list? Anything wrong with the seniority?
Oh, whether you see my affidavit, seniority list as per the November 2023 seniority list. The petitioner, the respondent number 3, serial number is 15, which is I have already incorporated in my affidavit. But Your Lordship, there's only one point. That educational qualification. Why I think in this issue we have to digest and we have to look into that why the policy maker how they opted the educational qualification.
Where is the educational qualification? What is the educational qualification required?
Respondent number 3 is a graduate.
So?
And petitioner both are undergraduate. So because of which, and the minister.
Where is the resolution that assistant manager has to be graduate?
So I think it is not incorporated in my affidavit, but the thing is, there should be a nexus.
There should be and is there is a different issue. It's like this. We should be good Christians. But are we good Christians? There's a big difference. We should be good Christians. I should be a good Christian, or I should be a good Hindu, or I should be a good Mohammedan. But are we good Christians? Are we good Hindus? That's a different issue. You see, my son should be ranked number 1 in examination. That is the ideal. That is what we want. But is he number 1? So, and where does it say that someone should be number 1? You see, out here also you want that this manager should be a graduate. But where is the resolution in writing? Where is the law that assistant manager has to be a graduate? Where is that? You want it, but where is it? Otherwise, someone will say, to be a Nagaland civil service officer, minimum qualification should be double PhD and double MBBS doctor or whatever, suppose it. But then what you want and what is there in the RR rules, in the recruitment rules, if it's not there, then that does not matter what we want. No. That is what. So out here, you're saying that yes, this is point number 3 is a graduate, and a graduate should be there as a assistant manager. That is what you want.
Yes.
But where is the rules laid down by the company to that effect? Or by the government? Nothing is there.
And they have violated their own resolution, Your Lordship. 2 years they are telling.
Promoted him by the same resolution by violating it.
By violating it. And we are being deprived here, and this is a.
But who will be appointed amongst you?
What I feel, Your Lordship, since I am the senior one, let the senior one go. Or
how could you appear for both the writ petitioners?
Now, Your Lordship, my humble submission before this honorable court, let the DPC call for and see the and select who is the fit.
That's why you have, Worship, I have 2 citations regarding the principle of the law.
Please.
As to why the company opted for the higher educational qualification.
You have got 2 citations.
Yes.
Give me.
One is, it is more or less related, 1974, Volume 1, ACC 19. Set up Jammu and Kashmir and other sources, Trilokinath, Kosa, and others.
Yes.
Yeah, Lordship, I just based on a principle. So, para number 20, 29.
Just a minute, we'll read it together. We'll read it together.
This is also degree engineer and diploma engineer. That is a take up the case here.
Mr. Counsel, out there, the rules require it. Out there, you see, out here, the rules were different. You see, let us see
This is regarding the following. No, this is a department, ours is company. But
No. You forget. You cannot read only the decision without the principles, without connecting it with the facts of the case. Now, what was the issue to be considered here?
Regarding here, the degree engineer and diploma engineer, this I guess what is.
But what did the rule say? What did the rule say?
They have the rule, but here in our case,
No,
they have any rules.
Let us see the rule. This is with regard to. But what is the question? You see, the issue here is if persons drawn from different sources are integrated into one class, can they be classified for purposes of promotion on the basis of the educational qualification? That is the issue.
Yes.
So this is different. The issue is completely different.
No, of course, it is they club together and the classification was done. So that's the issue here. So here in our case, it's a little different, but we have done so. Why classification? Whatever classification we have worked out, it is not illegal nor arbitrary. That's what I want to pray for our Lordship. So para number 20, those paras we have referred, still support the principle of the loop classification. If there is a GNN and nexus with the purpose of the needs, then it doesn't amount to arbitrary and it doesn't violate the Article 14 and system of the Constitution of India. That's what I want to highlight. Only the principle of the.
No, principle, but you have got to connect it with the facts of the case. You see what the Supreme Court has said is that a judgment is only a decision for what it decides, not what follows from it. A little difference in facts changes the precedential value of a decision. Now, here, so what the Supreme Court has said is that the facts have to be exactly similar. To apply the law here, the decision made by the Supreme Court here to the case here.
Yes.
Now here, there is no similarity. So there's
only the principle.
Principle cannot, that's what it says.
No, but what I want to say to your lordship is that whether the classification is illegal or not.
You see,
that's not
no,
only.
I agree with you. Classification can be done, but
Yes.
classification has to be written down in writing. That is the difference. When you read this, the classification is there in the rules. In your case, there is no rules, there is no classification. Then this is not applicable.
And the subsequent also, the 2019, we published this one also, 1974.
It doesn't count. This is not there. It is not there. You see, those laws are where the recruitment rules are made, and then they've got different wings, and then they come the promotional post is the same. Now, who becomes senior as to what that has to be considered. Now, in your case, the issue is not with regard to seniority. The issue is with regard to whether a person who is not eligible to be promoted can be promoted. That's all.
Yes.
And your lordship will appreciate that this affidavit, page 10, Annex 2, affidavit of the government.
Money.
Corporation. Page 10.
Page 10, your lordship.
Page 10 is the page.
Release.
Page 10.
Senior release.
Seniority list.
Yes.
Your lordship, if your lordship and come to this serial number 5. Manager.
Serial number 5.
Assistant manager, then deputy manager, then manager.
Just a minute. No. Out here it's class 1 senior, class 1. What are you talking about? Where is it?
Class 2.
Class 1, class 2.
What it is? Page initial. Class 2. No, your lordship, I want to say that, your lordship, class 1, even PU Arts, even PU Commerce, he has been made as manager.
Okay. So you show that, you say that. You say class 1 senior. Class
No,
1
your
senior.
lordship, I want to.
Who is a manager? Manager, you show serial number 5, Merenau.
5.
Merenau.
His education qualification is PU Commerce. PU. Merenau. Yes, Merenau. Then your lordship, deputy manager, this.
Matriculate.
Matriculate.
Assistant manager, PU Arts, graduate.
PU Arts. 3. Then why in our case, your lordship?
So what is your qualification?
PU Arts.
PU Arts, both. So your argument goes. Okay, heard. Mr. P.B. Paul, learned counsel for the petitioners in both the repetition. Also heard Mr. Learned counsel, additional AG. No, learned counsel.
Counsel.
For the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. That is a government company.
Government company.
Government company, your lordship.
No one, stop, no one appears for the respondent number 3. Even though notice had been served upon the respondent number 3. And this court, while order dated 10/5/2024, had held that notice upon the respondent number 3 was deemed to be served. Full stop. Next paragraph. The petitioners in both the writ petitions who have the educational qualification of pre-university arts. Yes, do you know pre-university arts? You know? Oh, pre-university arts is 11-12 during our time.
During our time.
Pre-university arts. They are agreed with the promotion of the respondent number 3. To the post of assistant manager from head assistant. While the impugned order dated
310.
Where is that page?
Page 26, your lordship. Annexure 7. Three 10/23.
3/10/23. In pursuance to the resolution passed by circulation of the Board of Directors held on 12th December 2020. I've got some, can we continue and think? Oh, yeah, I'll pass the order basically. I've got a program. So basically, dismiss, allowed, writ petitions are allowed, set aside, respondent number 3 set aside, and the company shall start the selection process considering only the two petitioners for promotion.
My lord. My
Because
lord.
as on the date the respondent number 3 was promoted, he was not eligible. Okay.
My lord.
So I'll give you later on. What's your name? Yezo at 2, okay? Come to my chamber. I think we're finished.
Much obliged. Much obliged. And I crave your indulgence, your lordship. I am having some backache problems. So I was in Tinsukia. So just whole night I have taken care.
Please, matter 23.
Yes, lordship. That is.
We shouldn't keep it pending.
No, your lordship.
It's a big problem for the registry.
That is why I have come. Your lordship.
Fosiko was enough also.
He is also having some medication problem.
Everyone will be having.
So I had to rush from there.
Okay.
Much obliged, your lordship.